it's time for the Advent again, and it is December the 16th. So let's get started. I have a couple additions to add. So we'll start with the sewing Advent for 16th. Hopefully my cat won't knock anything over. And for the 16th on the sewing Advent, we've got some black polyester thread. Pusheen, quit trying to knock stuff over. And I have an edition of from Hearts on Fiber, and it is a 12-day Advent, and I am a couple days behind, so we're going to open two things from Hearts on Fiber and trying to get caught up. So let's close that up. Good. Close up. I'll go to my Southern Skeins and untie this one and pull out the 16th in this one. So there's the 16th for that one. And let's go ahead and check out the woobles for the 16th. As you can see, there is red, green, red, blue, and yellow. Red, blue, and yellow. And it is for a nutcracker hat. That's cool. So that's that one for the 16th. And set that yarn to the side. And then I also have a packet from Haverland, which is a weekly thing. So I'll get that one. And I was a week behind, so I have two packets. So Haverland, for the week behind, we have this beautiful colorway right there. You see a piece of confetti stuck to it. And that gorgeous stitch marker, I love that. So that's Haverland. And there is, of course, a piece of candy. Throw that away. And then the other part of Haverland, and she's stuck down in here. Oh, that's cool. There's another piece of candy in here. Make sure there's nothing else in there. She stuck in here a customizable snowflake bunting. I like that. And for the week we missed, there is, I'll away that paper. For the week we missed, there is, this is sock yarn. And then there is another one, and that is Christmas, Bloody Christmas on purple. So for the week before, and then this week, we got these two. These are beautiful, and those are from Haverland on Etsy. Pusheen, Stop It. And then from Southern Skeins, alright. Oh, this is really pretty. That's very pretty. I like that one. That's from Southern Skeins. And then from Hearts on Fiber, that's one to make up, and then another one. Oh, nice. We got some hemp for crafty hands. That comes in handy. And then we have one more. Pusheen, Stop It. We have our cat that's being annoying. Here, let me touch your paper. There you go. Oh, look. Little mini pouch. There is a bit of magic in everything. Let's see. Make sure there's... No. Okay. See, there's a little bit of magic in everything. It's called a quotable pouch. So that was really, really nice for the 16th. So stay tuned for the 17th. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and above all, happy yarning. Bye now.